Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 25th day of March 2026. And we just got done with the U.S. closed live trading room, and this is a trade taken in the room by myself and others live. So here we go. The setup is this. We always are looking for our strong candle indicator, which is this little green pyramid down the bottom, saying go ahead and take this trade long. And that's what we're going to do. So now we look over at the PVI. The market's been pretty hot. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 100 and 130 ticks length. So we're going to pair that to our ATM, and we're going to use our usual long-term ATM of 20s, 50s, and 100. We'll de-risk the trade after 20 and see if we can catch our runners. So here's how it all went down in the room today. And it's already made a bit of a retrace, so we'll go ahead and put that on. Now, as we get picked up in the trade, first thing we want to do is put our stop where it belongs. So the last major failure point's down here. And then we'll wait. We're going to de-risk the trade. See, it's a pretty much big risk, but as soon as we hit 20 ticks, it's going to move from all this big risk to a break-even position just underneath the current candle where it is right now. So now we just need to wait for that to happen. And we'll go ahead and speed it up just a little bit because all of our targets are already set on the screen. So watch what happens. There we go. Boom. As soon as that first target's hit, we de-risk. It runs through my 50 tick target. Now we're going to go for the 100 tick target up here. Um, I'm not sure that this gets there on this candle, but I guess we'll see. Again, we're going 4 times the market speed right now. So every second is 4 seconds. This will be over relatively soon. Now, if this comes back and takes us out at, well, it'd be at profit now because our first two targets are here. We're 90 ticks ahead. We're at minus 18 right here. So, the worst thing that can happen is that we're what? 72 ticks ahead, 76 ticks ahead. So we're well into profit at this point, and we can choose to re-enter the trade if we want to. I don't believe it. We needed it. So we'll just let it go. Make another big push towards our target. Now we could follow this up and lock in a certain amount of profit, but here we closed outside the range of the previous candle. This is going to push retrace off of that 240 and hit our 100 tick target. Boom. All right, so that trade took about 5 minutes and 40 seconds to complete and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make $970 in a little more than 5 minutes, you should join us at SamuraiDayTrading.com. SamuraiDayTrading.com. We have amazing education, amazing live trading rooms, and we will look forward to seeing you in those rooms soon. So God bless you, and we'll see you next time.